Hello children, let us continue with the chapter Long and Short. There are several units for measuring length, but in this class we will learn only centimeters, meters and kilometers. Well, centimeter is a small unit of length. It is used to measure small lengths such as the length of pen, a pencil, or a book. Meter is used to measure the length which are a little bigger than centimeters, like length of a wall, cloth, height of a tower, etc. Then a bigger unit of length is kilometer. It is mostly used to measure the distance between two cities. But it is very important for children to be able to get an estimate of how long a meter is. It would help them to know the length of things around them, like the length of their door or maybe their bed or even their own height. Children, you must have gone with your parents to buy cloth or must have visited a tailor's shop. You must have heard the tailor say that you will need 2 meters of cloth for your kurta or maybe 3 meters for your skirt. How does the shopkeeper measure the length? He measures the length with a meter rod. Well, we can also make a meter rope for us to be able to estimate how long a meter is. To make a meter rope, we will need either a meter rod or a measuring tape and a rope. Now let us know how we will make it. Make a knot at one end of the rope. Keep the meter rod with the rope. Mark 1 meter on the rope and make a knot there. Now the length between the two knots is 1 meter and your meter rope is ready. Children, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now use this meter rope to find which of these things are more or less than 1 meter. Suppose the length of the table, measure it with your meter rope. I hope it would be more than 1 meter. Now measure the width of the table. It would be less than 1 meter. Measure the width of your door. It would also be less than 1 meter, but it depends on the size of your door. Now length of your door would definitely be more than a meter. Write 3 more things and also tick mark whether its length is more or less than a meter. Now use this meter rope to mark the height of 1 meter on the wall of a room. Now we will make the chart of the heights of your friends or family members. To measure the centimeters, you can use a smaller scale. We will write the name and find out whether the person is taller, shorter or equal to 1 meter, and we will also write how many centimeters more or less than a meter the person is. We will take one example. For example, Ayush, he is shorter than 1 meter and he is shorter by 2 centimeters. You will fill the others and write their heights and by how much shorter or longer the person is from 1 meter. I hope you will find it enjoyable to do this activity and the estimate of 1 meter length would be clear to you all. Thank you and happy learning.